So hello guys, in this video we are going to learn how to add your Instagram feed to your Wix website. So first of all, you will have to search elfsight.com on your web browser. After that, go to this sign up free. After signing up, you will land on this page. Go to this option, social, and after that go to this option, Instagram feed, and create widget. You can choose any template. After choosing a template, click continue with this template. Enter your Instagram account. After adding your Instagram account, click on add to website. As you can see, they are showing their subscription models, so you can select whichever you like. I'll go with this one. There's a embedded code. Click on here to copy on your clipboard. After this, go to your editor.wix.com, and after coming on this page, click on add elements. After that, click on embedded code, and after that click on embedded HTML. So here you can see a box. Paste the code that you copied earlier, and as you can see guys, your Instagram feed will be shown on your Wix website. Change this shape and size of your Instagram feed on your Wix website. And if you learned a helpful lesson, then please subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching.